Are you tired of wasting time on boring, repetitive tasks? AI might just be the answer you need. This tool is not just for the big guys. It's your secret weapon for a smarter, faster, and more profitable business. Small business owners are the real superheroes, juggling every task in solitary. But what if you could offload half of them to AI and do in minutes what could have taken you hours? And guess what? It's affordable and easy to use. Today, we're breaking down some of the best AI tools you can hop on right away to save time, boost profits, and work smarter. Welcome to Success Rebels Biz TV, the channel that helps you break the mold, ditch outdated business strategies, and build success on your terms. All right, let's cut to the chase. Number 1. Your AI Dream Team. First up, as a small business owner looking to drive sales in ways your customers would appreciate, you have to be the designer, writer, and video editor. Most of the time, you can't handle all that yourself. You need the professionals, right? But what happens if you can't afford to hire? Think AI. It's an assistant that's basically a full-time employee, but without the monthly back-breaking paycheck. Now, these tools are trained to deliver professional work fast. Need a logo? Search for the description of your need in Fiverr's AI tool, and you will get 10 options in 60 seconds, all for less than your morning coffee budget. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use AI to write product descriptions and, more importantly, optimize your website SEO to ensure the solution your business brings reaches customers in search of them. No one likes a bland brand. And who says you have to break the bank to give your brand a facelift? Or even code an essential app? Make AI work for you. Number 2. Automate the repetitive tasks. Small business owners will agree that specific tasks are needed to keep the business going. Most times, these tasks are undertaken solo, and that drains the soul. It could be invoicing, lead tracking, or scheduling. All of these tasks are repetitive. Think of your daily tasks like a knot you have to spend hours untangling. But now, a savior comes. AI automation cuts through the mess and gets you to the final destination. If chasing unpaid invoices is a draining, repetitive task in your business, think Zapier. Building a Zap on Zapier would help you send auto reminders 3 days before payment is due. Not just that, you could also instruct it to automatically add a late fee increment when a payment is late. The best part of this is that you don't need to check up on the progress of the invoice payment because the AI tool will inform you when a client ghosts. Automation with tools like Zapier and Make, formerly known as Integromat, turns you from a task juggler to a CEO who cuts late payments by at least 60%. Are you taking down notes? Right, let's move on. Number 3. AI chatbots. This is the 21st century, and things are a bit more revolutionized. No one wants a reply that takes ages anymore. Whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., your clients expect to get a response from you. Does this mean you never get to sleep? Well, here come AI chatbots. These aren't the clunky press 1 for support robots of 2010 that leave your customers waiting for an eternity without a reply. No, this comes with a little more extra. Fast, automated, helpful responses. Platforms like Zendesk, Ada, HubSpot, and Tidio let you build a chatbot faster than the easiest meal you cook. For most of these platforms, all you need to do is upload your FAQs based on what you predict your customers would ask, and train the AI in your brand's voice, whether it is friendly or strictly professional. Moreover, this automation process is basically a one-click integration process connecting with brand social media pages like Instagram, Facebook, or custom websites. Remember that for every minute you do not respond to your customers, you risk losing them to the competition. Number 4. Data Detective AI. Sometimes certain goods or products become less demanded by customers. When this happens, you must do whatever you can to save your business. What do I mean by this? You don't have to run into a loss. You can detect the fall in demand before it becomes a money-sinking nightmare. As much as AI tools help create fancy logos, they can also help you explore your business data, spot trends, predict disasters, and find hidden opportunities. And you don't need to worry about not having the right analytic skills to help analyze your business data. Tools like Google Analytics AI do the heavy lifting without having to open messy Excel sheets with hundreds of tabs to track sales output and input. It analyzes your sales, website traffic, and customer behavior to predict which products will trend next month. or provide an estimate of when your business will run out of specific inventory based on the simple data you log. With these answers, your business is covered, and you can now come up with proactive deals to ensure that your business doesn't suffer downtime. Number 5, AI pricing tool. With all of the tools already listed, you could have your business running seamlessly. But what happens when your pricing is off? In an economy where customers can purchase from different vendors offering the same product or solution, no one wants to pay a higher fee for the same level of product satisfaction. I mean, I don't. With AI tools like Presync, Dynamic Yield, and Price Fix using real-time data, you can analyze market trends based on demands and competitor patterns to help you find the perfect price every time. So instead of worrying about the best prices to gather more profit based on the market demand, you can focus on growing your business. Zero guesswork. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to free you. The question is, are you ready to work smarter? Everyone is scaling up, including your competition. You cannot afford to sit still. So let me know, what tool are you most excited to try first? And are you likely to use AI in your business? Comment below and let's share the best hacks you found. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? Please don't forget to join our community as we're devoted to bringing you life-changing secrets every Sunday.